Hello from Arizona. My name is Cal. I want to welcome you to Tough Trails.
Yeah.
All right, guys. In this episode, we're going to do something a little bit different. We've been banging on this thing for about 6 months now. For the most part, it's done. There's a couple things I'd like to do. I'm waiting for a filter and a transmission, some transmission fluid. I'm going to work on the transmission there a little bit. It's not shifting that good, and I want it to be a little bit better. So, in lieu of the holiday and this weekend is coming up, we're going to give you a break from all this, and we're going to do something different. And this episode this week is going to come from the kitchen. All right. So why don't we get out of here, close up this garage, and let's head to the kitchen. All right, let's get her going. All right, guys. So what we're going to do today, instead of welding or banging and hammering or painting or engines or transmissions or lift kits and suspensions, we're going to hang out in the kitchen a little bit and see what we can't do. And on our channel, everything we do is we try to do DIY, do it yourself, save money, budgets, affordable, all that kind of stuff. Well, we're going to take that same thing and we're going to move it into the kitchen. And today we're going to do it yourself and make us a damn pizza instead of a turkey. Okay, so let's get her going. All right. All right, guys. In this video, while I'm waiting for the paint to dry, I thought I would come in here and offer you some bonus footage. And this segment is called Cooking with Cal. All right. And here we are kneading the pizza dough. So we're going to make a pizza.
That's enough, by the way.
Okay. All right, cool. See, now what I did right here is I just finished kneading my dough. And now I'm going to put some olive oil on my fingers. And we're going to put it in our pan right there. That's already oiled with real extra virgin olive oil. It's exciting. Okay, guys. Okay, so there we go. So we have here, we have a little olive oil on our hands. Okay. Teach you how to work on cars. Teach you how to cook in the kitchen. So we're going to spread this out. There we go. Look at that. Like a pro. See that? There you go. Look at that.
Make sure it's the same.
So what we're trying to do is we want to make sure that the density is even across it. We don't want some lumpy pizza. Okay? You can do this at home. I can give you the recipe if you like. Or you can just buy the package your damn self and read it on the back. Okay. Cool. Yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look good? That's going to be so yummy. See? And that's how you do it. All right, guys. So we're going to take this masterpiece now over to the oven. And we're going to put it in the oven for just a couple minutes. And what that's going to do is let it firm up enough that we can put our toppings on, sauces and stuff. Okay? Cool. All right, guys, real quick. This is our ingredients, all store-bought, mozzarella cheese, ragu pizza sauce, pepperonis, and onion, because I didn't have no damn mushrooms, okay? All right, cool. All right. Okay, so you got the sauce in. Get you a paintbrush out of the garage. There you go. Spread your sauce around. There you go. Look at that. Whoo! Yeah, buddy. That even smells all pizza-y and everything already. There we go. Look at that. A little bit more. We want a nice even coat, but we don't want to soak it up. Okay? You don't want to soak it. Okay, maybe just a tad more to fill in those spots right there. And we are good. We're golden. That's all you need, see? Yummy little piece. Kick me or something, okay? All right, ready? So we got the sauce on. And now we're going to put some cheese on it. Make this cheese nice and healthy layer of cheese on this bad boy, okay? Yeah, remember, use mozzarella. It's going to be the best. It's going to give you your best results. And not that taco cheese. Okay. Look at that. More cheese, the better. Yummy, yummy. You know this is going to be nice and stringy when you pull it apart. All right, cool. All right, next what we're going to do is we're going to put some onions on. We cut some onions up, and we're going to sprinkle them around a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Oh, man, I'm getting hungry already. Yeah, look at that. Cool. All right. There we go. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to start putting our pepperonis on, okay? Now, pepperoni's a little bit different. You can't just throw those on. You want to kind of take and position those. There you go. Look at that. Woo. Just like a pro. I can see Domino's calling me right now, sending me an application. Woo, look at that. Yeah. Woo. Oops, had a double there. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There we go. Look at that. Looks good. All right. All right, now back to the oven, guys. There we go. Woo-hoo, look at that. Let me hold it up to the camera for you. It's nice and hot. Don't touch it. Ooh, look at that. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. All right, now we're going to put it back in the oven. Here we go. Look at that. Ooh, buddy. Yeah. And we're going to let that cook for about 15 minutes. We're going to let that cook for about 15 minutes. Yeah, buddy. Okay, you filming yet? All right, guys, time's up. Been 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. All right. Woo, doggy. Feel that heat come out of there? It's like a heat wave. It's Arizona, man. Hot damn. All right, here we go. Look at that. Oh, guys, if this was smell-o-vision, look out. Oh, man. Look at that. Woo, buddy. Oh, perfection. At 425 degrees. Yeah. Okay. We're going to let that set for a little bit. Then we're going to take this ring off, and we're going to have us some pizza. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys, look at that. We took the ring off. She's ready to go. I cannot wait to get into this thing. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Let's cut it. All right. Look at that. Oh, I know it's going to be good. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, buddy. Ooh. Oops. There we go. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. And you did this at home yourself. All by yourself. Just like when we worked on Suzuki's. DIY. Do it yourself. Yeah. Look at that. Woo. Let's get this bad boy out. Take a look at that. Oh, looky, looky. Ooh, dog. Look at that. Ooh, look at, see that cheese? Look at that cheese. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go. All right, guys. There's your pizza. Cool beans. Let's take a bite real quick. Here we go. Ooh, dog. Oh my God, that's so damn good. Okay. All right, guys. We'll see you. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna have a pizza. All right, guys. Listen. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was a little bit different. It mixed it up a little bit. That's really the first time I ever made a pizza, but it was actually really good, though. It was. So, anyway, again, I just want to thank you, and it's been a amazing ride. We've been doing this for about 18 months now. We've got 1.5 million views. Bunch of subscribers, bunch of likes, bunch of new friends that we're making, and it's really great. And I just want to mix things up for you guys a little bit, and I want to wish you a happy holiday season for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our videos. All right, guys, we'll see you. Thank you. Bye-bye.